Okay, so I'm using my Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025 PaperMatte edition. So one of the commenters asked me, is it good for viewing construction drawing? If you are referring to viewing construction drawings on a PDF, then I recommend you to use Sodo, whereby you can just, you know, open your PDF here, and you can also insert text box, insert insert image, and also annotate on the PDF, which is pretty good. Okay, but if you are referring to some other apps, then I'm not sure. For handwritten notes, of course, Huawei is always famous for handwritten notes, as far as I am concerned. Or maybe because personally I'm quite biased towards Huawei in terms of handwritten notes, because I find the M Pencil writing on a paper mat display with a lot of different handwritten notes template is actually very nice and very elegant. So I really enjoy my time writing on this device. For online meeting, if you are referring to Google Meet, then there may be a problem down the road, because currently I'm seeing an exclamation mark on my name at the top right corner, and I'm not able to verify my account and things like that. So I'm not sure how how the integration is done down the road, because previously I won't have this problem, but recently I find that the micro G services is probably giving me this kind of integration issue. Okay, so if you're using Google Meet, then it's better not to get this tablet. But if you're using Zoom, I think it should be fine, because Zoom is, I think, just an Android APK. Zoom. Okay, see? Zoom. Workplace is from Fibonacci, which is the place where you download Android APKs and install on this device. And Excel stuff. So Excel stuff, you can use Microsoft 365, and this will be something like Android version as well. It's a scaled down version from the PC version. So if you're going to do a lot of calculations with VBScript or maybe macros, then this one may not be the one for you. I've never tested macros or VBScript on this device, but my gut feeling tell me that this may not work as good as a PC version. Okay, but if you are just using this for finances or keep track of your monthly budget, then this should be fine, no problem. If you are referring to this WPS Office PC that is heavily marketed in advertisement, then this is the full-blown PC version. However, do note that this one is built by WPS, not by Microsoft. So there can be incompatibility issue between them. Although this one says that they are compatible with each other, but I will take it with a pinch of salt. Again, if you are just using for limited use cases, simple use cases, then it should be no problem. And if you are coming from iPad mini, then I think, yeah, this is different. This is the more like an Android device, although this is Harmony OS. I think there's some difference there, so I'm not sure will it be suitable for you. I will suggest you to go to a Huawei store to try it out before you commit to buy one. After all, this is like 1,599 ringgit. Okay, this is not the S version. The S version is from 2024. This one is the newest version from 2025, running on Harmony OS 4.3. And personally, I find that it's quite nice to use as far as my use case is concerned. But if you ask me to use this as my main tablet, it won't be the one. My main tablet, if I really want to use one, it should be an iPad, because I'm using an iPhone. So if you're using iPhone, then I will still suggest you to consider iPad. Although, not a lot of people say that the technology they use are quite old, the screen is still the old screen, non-laminated and stuff like that. But what I want is actually the operating system and the ecosystem. Yeah, so you have to consider all these factors before you buy your tablet. Alright, I do suggest you to just walk in and try at the store, because there are plenty around. and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.